Today we're making a show-stopping blooming onion, crispy, flavorful, and perfect for sharing. Start with a large onion. Carefully slice it into a flower shape, cutting from the top down without slicing all the way through, so the layers spread out like petals. And the best hack for cutting a perfect blooming onion is to use bottle or a jar lid to avoid cutting it all the way through. Place the onion in a bowl of ice water for a few minutes. This helps it open up beautifully and become crispier when cooked. In a mixing bowl, crack 1 egg and whisk it well. Drizzle some milk. Season with 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic granules, 1 teaspoon onion granules, a pinch of parsley, salt to taste. Mix everything into a smooth, well-seasoned batter. In a separate plate, spread about 1 cup of plain flour. Place the onion on top and sprinkle more flour over it, ensuring it's well coated between the petals. Next, pour the egg mixture over the floured onion, making sure every part is covered. Follow with a generous coating of breadcrumbs. Drizzle a bit of oil over the top to help it crisp up. Place the onion in the air fryer at 170 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. Adjust the time slightly depending on your air fryer model. Cook until the onion is golden brown and fully crisp. Combine 3 tablespoons yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon ketchup, a pinch of crushed red chili, 1/2 teaspoon garlic granules, ground black pepper to taste, salt to taste. Mix well until smooth and creamy. Serve your crispy blooming onion with the dipping sauce. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and enjoy this delicious snack or appetizer.